If I was starting Facebook today, here are 3 things I would avoid to grow and monetize very fast. You already know so many things you are supposed to be doing so that you can grow and monetize. But many coaches do not tell you things you should not do, because things you are not supposed to do, they are more important than things you are supposed to do. In other words, things you are supposed to do, you cannot do everything. But you see those things you are not supposed to do, you are supposed to avoid everything. Now, I am not here to cap. I am not here to tell you stories. I am simply here to expose you to things that have worked for me, myself personally. And I believe that if you take them, you implement them, you will be able to grow your own Facebook page as well. You might be asking, why are you qualified to teach us this? Show us your pros, show us your credential. Well, it's simple and it's a good question. This Facebook page, I grew it from 12,000 followers to more than 200,000 followers within a space of 4 months. But my eyes don't see shege before 2023. Facebook used to block and disable my account. I wouldn't know what I did wrong. Then I had to restart again. This is how I started restarting until 2023. From 2023 to 2025, June, I had just 12,000 followers. From June 2025 to this moment, 2nd of August, I moved from 12,000 followers to over 200,000 followers. You and I know that this wouldn't be a guesswork. This is not beans. And this is not the type of growth that you would have 300,000 followers and only 12 people will be engaging. No, I get massive engagement. And today I want to share everything with you. Just last week, one of my fans sent me this to appreciate my work on this case, because many coaches like me are seriously underappreciated. See how beautiful it is. And I want you to help me say a very big thank you to Isa Miriam Abike, the CEO of Raw.to Nisai. She sent me this. I will tag her in the comment section. Please go to the comment section. Help me say thank you to her, and don't hesitate to follow her. Let's show love to her the same way she showed love to us, to the closing community. Good. So what are the things you are not supposed to do so that you can monetize very fast? Because Facebook money, now that one show up also, the money is not small. Like I always tell you, the money is not intangible. It is tangible. It is more than tangible. It is tangerine. Okay. Number 1 thing you are not supposed to do, please and please, just avoid it. I am talking from experience. Okay. Number 1, please don't copy anybody. If you see anybody doing better than you, study what they are doing. Study how their followers are engaging with them. Study how they communicate with their followers. But don't copy them. What do? Simply model what they are doing. Come up with something very unique, because Facebook of today is no longer joking with content uniqueness, the uniqueness of your content. Especially when you are just starting from scratch. Don't copy, just model what the people in your niche are doing. Study them, model from them, okay? Don't copy, don't recycle content. No, originality, uniqueness. Originality, uniqueness. Facebook is not joking with these 2 factors. Do you get that? Number 2, you should avoid posting today and disappearing tomorrow. Hey, that time I used to be very busy. I would just post. To some people, I was kind of consistent, but to me, I wasn't. Okay. Facebook of today requires that you post 30 times in a day. Do you get that? 30 times in a day. If you can post 30 times in a day and you don't go viral, come back to me and say, you are not the Prince of Closing. You are a fake coach. Do you get that? But some of you, you post today, you disappear tomorrow. You post in the morning and you start checking how many people have liked the post, how many people have commented. And when people leave a comment under your post, you don't reply them. That means there is no conversation. Facebook will assume that your account is managed by a robot. Because why will you post something? You are expecting people to have conversation with you. They drop comments, you did not reply. The only thing you are just doing is to check how many people have dropped comments, how many people have liked the post. Oh, they grow by now. You are not going to grow. When people drop comments, reply. Don't count the number of likes your post has accumulated. Rather, count the degree of values each of your content is offering. What problems are you solving with your content? That's how to go. Okay? That is how to go. Number 3 that you should avoid completely if you actually want to grow, avoid brainstorming the ideas yourself. We live in a world of distractions. We live in a world where people are very busy with their 9-to-5 jobs, daily domestic activities, stay-at-home moms, students, married men and women. Almost all of us now are so busy. That is why many of you wonder why you are not able to think content ideas that can blow up your page overnight. You want to brainstorm everything yourself. Meanwhile, we now have AI that can do the brainstorming for you. A very good example is ChatGPT. This AI will do the brainstorming for you, give you mad content ideas that can blow up your page in 30 days, in 60 days, in 90 days. And I'm not kidding. If you are not using ChatGPT to generate content ideas for your Facebook page, you are not serious. You are not serious. Pick up your phone now. Go and download ChatGPT. I've done so many videos. I've made so many posts to explain how to use ChatGPT to blow up your account. So I don't see any single reason why you are not using it. We have just like 2 months to the end of 2025, and it is not too late for you to grow that page so that you can be monetized, so that you can attract clients and customers. And I'm not kidding. Many coaches will not tell you the power of ChatGPT because it is a best kept secret that I'm giving you for free before it becomes too late. And I also want to give you a bonus. There is something called account status. Many of you don't check your account status. If you are using a profile, the status of your profile. If you are using a page, the status of your page. Make sure that your page is not showing this or your profile. Can you see what is on the screen? Make sure it is showing this. Some of you, Facebook no longer recommend your account, but you don't know because you don't check it. So please and please go and check it now. And if you see that your account is showing something like account has issues, immediately write an appeal message to Facebook so that they can help you remove this restriction. Because until the restriction is removed, no matter how valuable the content you post are, Facebook will not push it. Facebook will not recommend it. And because you watch this video till the end, I have a program. This program gives you the opportunity to learn digital marketing for as low as 2,130 naira. So if you have 2,130 naira with you, you can learn digital marketing skills under my tutelage. I will be the one to teach you. These are not random videos we picked on YouTube. No, you will hear me live speaking with you. It will be as if I was sitting with you, telling you to do this, telling you to do that, exposing you to the secrets of social media. This is the knowledge many people have got, and they were able to use it to build self-reliance for themselves. through their skills, through their knowledge, through their products. Even if you don't have any products, or you think you don't have any skills, any knowledge, this is an opportunity for you to discover your own potentials, because discovery is recovery. Do you get that? So how do you enroll yourself? Go to the comment section. You will see a comment pinned. Click the link in the comments to register yourself today. You can pay online, you can pay with manual transfer. I can't wait to see you there. More love to the closing community. If you find this video helpful, please don't hesitate to share it with your friends. Drop a comment, say anything, ask any question. Okay, that is how you learn. That is how you grow.